Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another haul, and today we have a haul on Daily Charm. So this haul is just gonna be on Daily Charm. So here it comes with this cute little card. In the back they have their social medias if you want to check them out or go on their website or contact them. And then here we have the nail charms that I purchased. I've been absolutely obsessed with nail charms lately for some reason. You know, we all go through phases where we're obsessed with stickers, foils, or whatever the case may be. And right now it's definitely nail charms for me. So here I am just going to be opening these bags and showing you each of the ones that I purchased. And each set does come with two. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys everything that I picked out through a Daily Charm. I absolutely loved the quality of their charms, the sparkle that they have, the ones that include rhinestones. You could definitely tell the difference. They're really, really great quality. I love how they look aesthetically. They're just very stunning, I have to say. The only thing that I didn't like at first was how they just put all the charms together. I thought they were going to be individually packaged. I would have preferred it that way just for video purposes, but it doesn't matter. I was just so happy to know how amazing these charms were, the quality. I was so happy, literally very, very happy. They were so shiny, so sparkly. I was really, really impressed, and you guys can see that here. They just have a shine that is so beautiful, and I will show you guys towards the end how I organize these charms. So you will see me organizing them in one of my acrylic containers that I did purchase through Sets No Co. I'm very excited. I was very excited to show you guys this video. I did receive my packaging a couple days ago, so they do have fast shipping. I have no complaints. I'm just so happy and ready to build a huge collection, I'm not gonna lie. And they also have Swarovski crystals. They also have crystals by them. They have foils, all types of nail art. And yeah, I'm just really happy that I discovered Daily Charm, and now I can share with you guys if you have never heard of it before, if you'd like to check it out. So I'm really, really excited about that, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about these charms, or which ones were your favorite charms, or which one was your favorite charm. I just thought they were so beautiful, especially these infinity ones. Infinity signs one with the rhinestones. I thought they were so beautiful, and it was crazy because the majority or almost all of them matched or would go well with the set that I'm wearing currently. And I just thought they were really beautiful, to be honest. I ordered a total of 29 charms, and for these 29 charms I believe I spent $45 and some cents, which the majority of the charms I did get on sale. So I was really happy to be able to get them, and I thought it was a great price. And I was just really happy to come across Daily Charm in general, to be honest. Yeah, so you guys will definitely be seeing future hauls from here in the near future, because I was really, really impressed with how beautiful these charms look. Like, they really look high quality, and they just look stunning. And I honestly cannot wait to make nail looks with these and see what I could come up with, because they definitely are so beautiful. So here I'm just going to continue to show you guys the charms. I hope you guys like what you see so far. These were really beautiful in my opinion, and these are some snakes. I really, really love these. Super pretty. And I don't know if I mentioned this already, but they do come with two each set that you purchase. So here I'm just showing you what it would look like on a nail set. And I also wanted to go ahead and get some Halloween ones, so I did get a couple Halloween ones. I got these knives because I didn't have these charms before, and I thought they're really cute, and I could definitely use these for a cute Halloween look. And I just love how tiny they are. So these are a set of knives. I thought they were super cute. And next we're moving on to these dangling charms, and these are a set of two, and they are pineapples, and I thought it would be so cute because I absolutely love dangling charms. So I said, oh, why not get some pineapples for the summertime? I thought it would be a really pretty like tropical look that I could create with that. So I got only one pair of dangling charms, and those were it. Next, I decided to get these. I thought they were super cute. These are just some skeletons. I did want to incorporate holiday themed charms because, like I had mentioned before in the past, I do want to up my collection on holiday related nail art. So I decided to get those. And then these I thought were really cute as well. These are some leaves, and I thought I could incorporate them in like a fall look. Thought they would look super beautiful. Since I don't really have much fall stuff, these are just 2 maple leaves. Thought they were really pretty. Thought they were very beautiful and very cute. And next here we have these that I thought were so beautiful. These bows, I love the way that they look. They're so shiny, and in reality the camera doesn't do its justice of how shiny these charms are, which is what I love the most about it all. And this one was so cute. This reminded me of like Alice in Wonderland for some reason, and it says I love tea, and I love the teal color. So cute. Like, wow. Like, I'm still just so obsessed with these charms. Like, they're so beautiful in my opinion. Let me know down below if you guys like Daily Charm, if you've purchased from Daily Charm in the past. What are your thoughts and opinions? I'd love to know. And these were also really beautiful. I decided to get these for a Halloween look as well. So I got these scissors. I thought they were really cute and unique, and I just love how tiny they are. Like, they're just like so fragile looking, you know, because they're so tiny. So next we're moving on to the following pack, and I'm just going to continue showing the rest of the charms that I purchased through Daily Charm, and it just gets better and better, to be honest. I absolutely love this little set here that I'm about to show you. Super cute. I love these little Chanel embellishments or charms or whatever you'd like to call them. I love how they were like black with gold. I thought that was really pretty, very classic. And wait until I show you how it looks on the nail. It looks so cute, and I can't wait to use these. And look how stunning that looks. Absolutely love. I just absolutely love it. So pretty. And next we're moving on to these as well. They are so gorgeous, so shiny, very beautiful. And I love the rhinestone placement as well. I just love everything. I was honestly in awe with these charms when I saw them. I really fell in love with them. So pretty. So look how stunning this looks as well if you were to place it on a nail. So pretty. These were absolutely so beautiful. I know I keep saying that, but wow, I absolutely love these. These were so pretty, and you guys are gonna see how they look on the nail, and they just look so gorgeous. These would have looked so pretty with the set that I'm wearing. A lot of these charms actually would have looked really nice, so that's definitely a good thing. They're just so stunning in my opinion. And I got a pair of little dolphins because I did want to incorporate more like mermaid theme. I really am looking forward to in the future creating more like mermaid, mermal type themed ocean type themed nail looks, because I think they're so fun and they're so beautiful, and you can get so creative with them. And now that I have those scale foils that I showed in my previous haul, I could definitely do a lot more. And these were so beautiful. It reminded me of like Sailor Moon or something like that. Super beautiful, and they look so cute on the nails. I absolutely love these as well. I loved each and every one of them, to be honest. They were just all so pretty. I could never just choose one. Like, it's just way too hard. But yeah, this is what they look like on the nails. So now we're moving on to the next pack of charms. I also thought these were very beautiful as well, very unique looking. Let me know down below what type of charms you guys prefer, gold or silver or like colorful ones. I honestly think I love the most gold ones, and then the colorful ones like the teapot one. This is I love tea. But yeah, I definitely love gold embellishments or charms. I think they're very beautiful. And I also like the silver ones, but I definitely have to get more silver ones because I don't really have much of a silver charm collection. So these are really pretty as well. These are some spikes, and it's so cool because you could either put them facing down or facing up. So you could actually get very creative with those. I thought they were very unique. And then next I'm moving on to these, which were so beautiful. It brings a crescent moon, and it brings some beautiful colorful rhinestones attached to it, and I thought it would look so stunning on a nail. I really love these. I think this was definitely one of my favorites. Very pretty. And sorry that I kept dropping the nails. Not the nails. Sorry that I kept dropping the nail charms. It's just that it was kind of hard. They just slip. And then these are another one that I really liked, and these are just like lifeguard ones, and these are really cute because I thought of like the ocean and beach theme type of nails. So I definitely want to get those too. And these were really beautiful, these hearts with some rhinestones. Very pretty. And actually with the nails that I had on right now, when I placed it on the nail, it looked so pretty. So cute. So lastly, we're moving on to the last pack. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I hope it wasn't boring, and I hope you guys actually liked it. Let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, now we're moving on to the last pack of charms. So first here we have these really pretty anchor ones, which I had mentioned earlier. I wanted to get more like mermaid, under the sea type themed charms, so I decided to get these anchors with a pink rhinestone on top. They're so cute, and they look absolutely adorable on the nails. Look how beautiful that looks. Absolutely love these. Very pretty. And most of these charms were like $1.99 or $1.99, I believe so. But of course they do have all types of prices, but those are the ones that I decided to get. And these are one of my absolute favorites just because it reminded me of when I was in high school. I used to love MAC, the makeup brand, and I used to just love using MAC lipsticks, but especially the red one. So it just reminded me of that. And it brought back memories, so I definitely wanted to add these to my collection because these lipsticks are so cute. So here we have these as well, and they're very beautiful. They're very royal looking, very beautiful charms, and they look so pretty on the nail. These were definitely one of my favorites. These opal covered rhinestone bows, they're so beautiful, and I love how they look. I thought they were so cute and unique, and I just love anything opal. I think it just looks so beautiful. So these I thought were very unique as well, and they're really beautiful. And the charm, you couldn't really tell in the charm like the rhinestone what it really looked like, but it was giving off like a very like blue opal type of color. It was very beautiful, and I thought these were unique as well, so I decided to get them, and they're very detailed and beautiful. And thank you so much for watching that part of the video. And now we are moving over to the organizational part of this video. So thank you so much if you're still here. You're absolutely amazing, and I really appreciate it, and I hope you're enjoying this video. So now you're just gonna watch me quickly organize these charms in this acrylic container that I purchased through Set Sale Co. They were having a sale, so I was able to get them for $6 each, and I absolutely love these, so I decided why not get some. And here I did have to place some charms together because there wasn't going to be enough slots, so I decided to place the same theme ones, or if I had the same type in the same slot, and it all worked out perfectly in the end. So I was really happy about that, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed, and also hit the notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. So thank you guys so much once again. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys.